let's recognize the footprint we have with MXA 900 series. It's 10 years in the market. It's become kind of the de facto. We've now put the engines in to allow it to perform in an AI environment. So we've upgraded the motor. Everyone's super excited about that. And of course, we put on board on the MXA 320 product, which we announced here too. 10 years of history implementing microarray expansion to just make sure there's great audio in the room, which is amazing because if you think about where the world is going, voice is now turning into data, and good quality data is important, more critically, more important today than ever before. And can't forget to talk about our expansion of our relationship with Zoom. I mean, we announced today that or last week, and at the show, that we're very much now in the Zoom universe, and super proud of that. The relationship is just primed to go. We've been working with them for quite some time already before that with our MXA line, but really moving into this space allows us again to be in that AI-powered room space and be authentic with them where we can really expand, innovate with them. And so super exciting on all the announcements. Some of it's in the technology. So the AI that we're inserting the MXA just to allow us to do really special stuff with our microarrays and where we're doing it in line versus doing it on type is kind of innovative to a point where it's like, okay, game on, let's get deverb working, that acoustic echo canceling and bring it into the AI world. Are we just video enabling rooms anymore, or are we AI powering rooms now? And so when you take a look at what we're doing with IntelliMix View and how we're able to do some really special things with our mics and cameras, it is amazing what's capable of these products, and we're super excited to be in that innovation space at this point. So I think our customers just in general, it's like we're enterprise ready, we're ready to go, and we're playing the game of innovation where the puck is going. And I think that's resonating with the customers I'm talking to at the show. Our booth is super busy. Everyone wants to know like what's next. They're qualifying that next solution, and they're realizing AI-powered rooms is where they need to go. And we're definitely in that space of delivering those solutions. Yes, there's Microsoft environments, there's Zoom environments, and there's mixed environments. And with this expansion of our UC compute into the Zoom environment, where we're really entering in that AI-powered Zoom rooms, and also be able to deliver that solution, whether it's on MDEP or Windows-based machines. We kind of give all the flexibility now to say, yeah, we're in the game not only from an expansion of audio, but from a video standpoint, a manageability standpoint, whether you want to be on MDEP, or you want to be Windows, or you want to be a Zoom shot, we're kind of now delivering everything. And I think that's just a reflection of our customers saying we need flexibility. So very much delivering on what our customers are telling us. I think the days of bringing a desktop video-enabled room to the room are kind of fading away. So this paradox shift, like the shift and refresh is so vibrant right now. And to be part of that, I mean, I'm asked all the time, where are you going? And the answer is always so much fun because of what's possible, right? The platforms and how fast things are innovating with Zoom and how fast they're innovating with Microsoft. It just makes it so fun to participate in those worlds. And from being a person who loves technology, it's like game on, let's go.